Hi, my name is Ben Mattis. I'm the producer on Prince of Persia Rival Swords. The remote and nunchuck allow the controls to feel natural and responsive, fighting with both hands just like the prince. Swing the remote and the nunchuck to use both your weapons. But don't forget to defend yourself. Use the B button on the remote to block. For counterattacks, hold the B button and swing the remote. Swing the remote and the nunchuck for deadly combos with the dagger tail. For a charged attack, tilt back the nunchuck, then unleash the devastating blow. Throwing weapons and picking up new ones is easy. Just tap the Z button. So with Rival Swords, you will have the freedom to discover your own style with easy-to-use controls.